Welcome to one of my videos. This is all about resource groups in the Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure resource group is a metadata containing where it is located, where the resources are somewhere, and that resource group has a location. It could be by the same application, the same deployment, the same department, the same type of resource. For the structure will be better as it will be your area to where you manage the resource itself and in the cloud. When you create a resource group, it needs a name and a subscription and a location. I will go through that with you now. Right, what you do is you click on the add button there. Currently using the free trial here, but what I'm going to do is create my resource group, and my resource is going to be called the Azure resource, and all you have to do is change it to the area which you are located in, and you just click on review and create. That's actually passed it, and it should have created by now. Okay, it's created that. Go to the resource groups, and it's come through now. So that's my first resource container. Okay, in my next video I'm going to show you how to create a network